Is your Apple Watch stuck on the time logo and not responding? This can happen due to power reserve mode or charging issues. Don't worry folks, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Apple Watch stuck on the time logo issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your Apple Watch. First, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. If Apple Watch is still stuck on the time logo, follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check the charger. Make sure you're using the official Apple Watch magnetic charging cable or USB-C magnetic fast charging cable. Check that the cable is securely plugged into the USB power adapter and that the adapter is firmly plugged into a working power outlet. Solution 3. Clean the connections. Make sure the back of your Apple Watch and the magnetic charger are clean and free of any debris. And then charge it for about 30 minutes. Solution 4. Force restart Apple Watch. Now connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Then press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. If the Apple Watch is still stuck on the time logo, then you have to go to Apple Care. And that's how you can fix the Apple Watch stuck on the time logo issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.